When it comes to heavy industry, nothing is more impressive than the giant machines working around the clock to drive global production and economic growth. These machines aren't just big, they're powerful enough to replace the workload of tens of thousands of people in a single day. So, get ready to explore some of the world's most awe-inspiring machines with me today. Coming in at number 5 on our list is a true legend of power and size, the Bella 75710 dump truck. Imagine stacking two double-decker buses on top of each other and giving that beast the strength of more than 6 F1 race cars. That's Bella's. It's even heavier than an Airbus A380, making it a steel monster like no other. Built in Belarus and launched in 2013, the first of these giants started operating at a Siberian coal mine in 2014, with a massive hauling capacity of 450 tons. The Bella 75710 easily took the crown as the world's largest dump truck, surpassing its closest competitor by an impressive 87 tons. But it's not just about size, the engineering behind it is a masterpiece. With 8 enormous wheels, each weighing about 6 tons, this truck can carry up to 100 tons per wheel. Overall, it tips the scales at 360 tons. Jaw-dropping, right? The power behind Bella's is driven by an electric drive system paired with a 2,300 horsepower diesel engine that delivers a torque of 18,626 Newton meters, roughly 24 times the power of an early 2000s F1 race car engine. This level of strength lets it conquer some of the world's toughest terrains. However, all that power comes with a hefty appetite for fuel. In just 12 hours, this beast can guzzle down 5,600 liters of fuel, a truly mind-boggling figure. With a turning radius of 19.8 meters and a towering height of 8.2 meters, the Bella 75710 can still hit a top speed of 40 miles per hour on flat ground and maintain 25 miles per hour while climbing a 10% incline. It can tackle maximum slopes of up to 18%. Today, it still holds the Guinness World Record for the largest dump truck, with a price tag that goes beyond $6 million. Truly a symbol of unmatched power and groundbreaking engineering in the industrial world. Next up at number 4 on our list is a massive beast you simply can't ignore, the Letourneau Elta 350. This is the world's largest wheeled loader, made in the USA, and it even holds a Guinness World Record for its unmatched power. With a jaw-dropping 2,300 horsepower and a payload capacity of 400 tons, it's truly the king of all loaders. What makes this machine even more mind-blowing? Its enormous tires. Standing at around 13 feet 4 meters tall and over 5 feet 1.5 meters wide, these are some of the largest rubber monsters you'll ever see. To keep this giant rolling, Letourneau packed it with a 65-liter diesel engine featuring 16 turbocharged cylinders that crank out an incredible 2,300 horsepower, enough to make anyone stop and stare. Of course, with that kind of power comes a serious thirst for fuel. The Elta 350 burns through about 50 gallons, nearly 200 liters of diesel every hour. Its two-level body structure weighs in at 258 tons when empty, but it can carry a jaw-dropping payload of up to 400 tons. And let's talk about that bucket. It's got a capacity of 40,520 liters and can easily lift a fully armored vehicle up to 24 feet 7.3 meters high and reach out 11.5 feet 3.5 meters. One of the reasons the Elta 350 remains unmatched is its massive fuel tank, holding 3,974 liters of fuel, along with a backup tank of 1,230 liters to power the hydraulics for the bucket and steering systems. Thanks to this setup, it can move an astonishing 10,000 tons of earth ore every hour. Talk about a productivity powerhouse. Now, speed isn't really its strong suit. The Elta 350 tops out at just 17.9 kilometers per hour, about 11 miles per hour. But who needs speed when you're designed to make money, not race? It's built to move mountains, not win drag races, right? Given its record-breaking size and capabilities, it's no surprise the Letourneau Elta 350 comes with a hefty price tag, around $1.5 million. But with everything it can do, every dollar is worth it. Coming in at number 3 on our list of engineering marvels is the Liebherr R9800, the world's most powerful hydraulic excavator. At first glance, you might mistake it for a typical digging machine, but this mechanical titan is a rare gem, manufactured in limited quantities and renowned as the Rolls-Royce of heavy-duty machinery. Measuring a massive 25.17 meters in length, 8.33 meters in width, and standing 10.5 meters tall, the Liebherr R9800 truly earns its status as a giant. Weighing in at a staggering 810 tons, its bucket alone tips the scales at 42 tons, roughly equivalent to a main battle tank. But its real prowess lies in its massive bucket capacity of 47.5 cubic meters, capable of filling a 200-ton haul truck with just 3 scoops. It's no wonder it's earned the nickname Mine Slayer. Powering this beast are dual 16-cylinder engines, delivering a maximum output of 2,984 horsepower. Its top speed, a mere 1.8 kilometers per hour. But let's be clear, the R9800 wasn't built for speed. It was designed to dominate the heaviest workloads on Earth. When it needs to move locations, the entire machine is disassembled and transported piece by piece before being meticulously reassembled on site, a process that takes over 10 days of dedicated labor. In second place, we encounter a true legend in NASA's fleet, the Crawler Transporter, a colossus built to carry rockets and spacecraft from the Kennedy Space Center to their launch pads. Weighing a massive 2,700 tons, it's a testament to human engineering, crafted to transport history itself. Each track measures 3.3 meters by 2.7 meters and is designed to elevate between 50 and 60 centimeters to adapt to the terrain. First put to work during the Apollo program in 1965 to transport the Saturn V rocket to the moon, the Crawler Transporter was later upgraded to serve the Space Shuttle program during the 1970s. Today, one of these machines has been modernized to support the Space Launch System SLS rockets, representing humanity's next leap into space. Its core structure remains largely unchanged, at 40 meters long, 35 meters high, and 2,700 tons in weight. The Crawler operates using diesel engines that power 16 electric motors with 2 sets of tracks per corner, each containing 57 individual treads. Its maximum speed, just 1.6 kilometers per hour, slower than a tortoise. But for a machine of this size, that's a monumental feat. NASA expects these workhorses to remain in operation for at least 3 more decades. The final machine I want to introduce in this video is the absolute beast known as the Baggart 193. This giant bucket wheel excavator resides in Western Germany and stands as tall as the Big Ben clock tower in London. The Baggart 193 can devour a staggering 140,000 tons of earth each day, making it one of the largest and most powerful digging machines on the planet. Unlike regular excavators, this massive machine isn't a product of science fiction, it's a mind-blowing reality. Imagine a small city equipped with a giant rotating blade. And that's pretty much what the Baggart 193 is. Recognized by the Guinness World Records as the largest land-based vehicle on Earth, it was built by the German company Tackruf. Measuring about 225 meters long and weighing in at over 14,000 tons, this behemoth barely leaves a trace as it moves, with its footprint no deeper than a human step. The Baggert 193 is a true master of lignite brown coal mining. Nothing else even comes close. Capable of shifting more than 240,000 tons of earth per day, it's like moving 2,500 kilograms of material every second. Operating this monster takes a crew of 5 people. And to keep things moving, it requires an external power source that provides a massive 16.56 megawatts of electricity. Its bucket wheel has a diameter of over 21.3 meters, with 18 buckets that can each hold over 15 cubic meters of material. Experts say that owning a Baggert 193 doesn't come cheap. You'd need at least $100 million to make it yours. The price tag reflects the complexity of its design and manufacturing, which takes around 5 years to complete, plus another 5 years just to assemble it on site. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have shared this incredible journey with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more fascinating content. We've got plenty more exciting stuff coming your way, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.